that?
Carp, suckers, everywhere.
Gotcha. There he is. Another one, fluke. Just a little smallmouth. Oh, buddy, you're gone. Saw one swirl past it there. Gotcha. Took me just a second there. Finally got one. I was wondering what in the heck is going on. Well, he's marked up nice. Look how marked up that bass is. That's a pretty fish. That's how marked up he is. Good looking little bass. Not very big, but again, we'll sure take him. Ooh, yes. All right. All right. Got him. My goodness. Got my heart pumping. All right. Yes. Let's get him loose here real quick. I don't think it's going to catch anything out of there. Got him. Oh. Alright. Nice looking smallmouth on the baby bull. Got him right here in the shade. Great looking fish. Great looking fish. Beautiful fish. Get a measurement here. 17 and a half. First greenfish. Little spotted bass on the fluke. Little spotted bass. Here you go, buddy. You're out of here. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, you got some good air. Pretty good one. It's pulling hard. All right, man. Come here, buddy. Gotcha. It's a nice smallmouth. All right. Another solid smallmouth. Again, strange. Right there in the middle of the channel instead of over here in the shade. Another solid, oops, shaking. Another solid smallmouth on the fluke. Again, this one, just like the last one I caught, it's right out here in toward the middle of the channel instead of over here in this shade. It's going to be over here in the shade, but out here in the channel. This one here is 16 inches. Nice little smallmouth. Good looking bass. Get him back in the river. There you go, buddy. There you go, you're out of here. Pretty good one. One of the day, boys. A little action. This thing picked up on me. Crazy. Hang on, buddy. Get you up. Gotcha. He's got in his mouth there. Thought he threw something up, but I didn't see anything. First one of the day, little guy on the super fluke. Put him back in the river. There he goes. See, buddy. We'll let you know. Got it right there on the right in front of the boat.
Got one?
Yeah, hit it right there. I wasn't even expecting it. Right in front of the kayak. Give me a heart attack. Pretty good one.
Like they sort of slow through there. Come on out off the bank a little bit.
There, buddy. There you go. That's a pretty good one.
Oh yeah, that's a good. He's about 15, ain't he?
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Alright,
We'll sure take him.
come over this way a little bit more.
Another one on the
15
Another-
yards off the bank, there's a ledge
Another
around this
one on the
way, all the way
fluke.
down through there.
good looking smallmouth on the fluke. Good looking smallmouth. Been eating good. Chubby. See how long he is here. We have one that is 15 3/4.
That's a good.
15 3/4. Oh, look, good looking little smallmouth. Get him back in the river. There you go, buddy. There you go. Ah, come on, hold still. Turn you loose. There we go. Another little guy on the fluke. There you go, buddy. You're out of here. Buddy, we're gonna get you loose right here in just a second. Gotcha. Alrighty. Another little one on the fluke. There you go, buddy. You're gone too. That's pretty good. Pliers. Stick me around. Another one on the fluke. Like I said, he ain't too big, but sure take him. See you, buddy. You're done. Piece of fish. He don't come up. There you good one. Loose. Gotcha. Well, he got something on his head. Alright. It's a pretty decent little smallmouth. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Take him like that all day long. I want to catch about 40 or 50 of these like this. Alright. It's a good looking little smallmouth on the Zoom Super Fluke. I lost one probably about the same size a little bit earlier. He came off. Didn't get a good hook set on him, but this one I got him. So let's see how big he is. I'm gonna say he's about 15 and a half, maybe 16 probably, give or take. I was off about, it was off 16 and a half. All right, it's a nice looking smallmouth. Great looking smallmouth. Nice way to start off the day. There we go. Second fish of the day. Get back in the river. There you go, Big Daddy. You're out of here. Oh, he swelled on it. Got him. Yeah, he swelled on it. Marked up good. Come here, buddy. Little Big Daddy. Stay on the hook there for just a second. Let me get you loose. Hang on. Let me get you. Gotcha. Man, he's thick. Man, alive. Thought I saw one swell on it. Golly. Alright, another good looking smallmouth on the Zoom Super Fluke. Nice looking bass. See how long he is. We'll say about 16 and a half. $16 1/4. He's thick too. Got a little size on him. Just good looking bass on the Zoom Super Fluke. Get back in the river here. There you go, buddy. You're out of here. I think I got a good hook set on him. Yeah, I did. Yep, right out in the middle of the Watauga River. Golly, he's pulling hard. Good grief. Boy, you got me bite in. Really, that's a good one. Come here, buddy. You ain't done yet, are you? We got you now. We got you now. Gotcha. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Yeah, it is. Right in the middle of the river. There we go. Got another one on the Zoom Super Fluke. It's marked up good. See how big he is. Good looking smallmouth. See what we got. $17 3/4. 17 3/4. Good looking fish on the Zoom Super Fluke. Let's get back in the river. Good looking bass. you go, buddy. You're gone. Smallmouth on the fluke. That's a pretty good little thing. He's pulling hard. Caught one of them. White bass. First white bass I've caught in a long time. Right here, little white bass. Haven't caught one in a while. We're catching smallmouths, man, what we're after, but hey, I like catching these. These are a lot of fun to catch right here, especially if you can get a bunch of them. You can have a lot of fun catching these. They fight hard. Hadn't caught one of those in a while. A little white bass. Get him back around. There you go, buddy. You're right here. There's one, Mike. Yep, out in the, hey, plumb out here. Right here in the dang middle. Gotcha. Slack in the line here. Here's a baby bullgill. There we go. We got on the baby bullgill. Looking little bass. There he goes. Got it. Missed it first time. Might got it. Come here, buddy. Get you loose. Gotcha. On the super fluke. Back in the river. There you go, buddy. You're out of here. Oh, we got it. Oh my goodness, I got one. Oh, he's huge. Yeah. Oh, he's a, oh my gosh. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh my goodness. He's pulling the boat. Oh my goodness. It's a big one too. It's as long as my leg.
Yeah, I'll tell.
Oh my gosh.
I bet his hand's that big around, man.
Oh, I was always.
What do you do with him when you get him up there?
What's that?
What are you gonna do with him when you get him up there?
I have no idea. I've got him right here. Ah.
Probably ought to, if you can get his head up, stick your fish grips in his snout. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a big one.
Yeah, he's huge. God,
He's a big one, man.
yeah,
That's big.
he wants no part of this, boys.
What you want me to do? Try to help?
No, I'm just gonna let him fight himself out here.
He hit it hard.
I used to come up and grabbed it,
Did he?
followed it right up there. Like I said, it don't worry me too much because that ain't my bull shad. If that was my bull shad, I'd be tore all pieces. Let me get my pliers here. Get his nose around here where I can get to my bait. Golly bum. We ain't done yet. He's got that hook absolutely the way he's bit that.
Fiery, ain't it?
It's not bird, it's just you can see that barb wrapped around the bottom of his jaw. He can't get rid of it. It's enormous.
You just want to try to get him up there and grab the hook.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to grab the bait if I can. If you'll let me grab it. All right, hold on, buddy. Piece of daggone big. Oh. Ooh.
That's his head, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's that bait too.
You better not let him put a hook in you.
Yeah, that's the thing. I'm trying to get a hold of it and get it loose.
Hold on to him,
There he goes.